Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to link tasks on Asana. So just click on right test case for Asana. Now click on details. Now you can see multiple options available. We will click on the add dependencies. Now find the relevant tasks. So just click on, you can also block by blocking, use this option. Now click on the relevant tasks. I am clicking, finding my relevant tasks. Now I will also click the CRM web design. Now you can see I have also add the another tasks web design. Now you can add here, remove here. Now I click another tasks. You can also add another tasks. So you can add multiple tasks and link them easily. So this is how you link all the tasks on Asana. Now you can see all the tasks have been linked up.